African countries and their slogans: South Africa, Rainbow Nation; Rwanda, Land of a Thousand Hill; Madagascar, the Red Island; Lesotho, the Kingdom in the Sky; Egypt, the Gift of the Nile; Burkina Faso, Land of the Upright Me; Ghana, the Gateway to Africa or Stars of Africa; Nigeria, the Giant of Africa; Namibia, Land of the Brave; Uganda, the Pearl of Africa; Malawi, the Warm Heart of Africa; Zambia, the Real Africa; Kenya, the Pride of Africa; Tanzania, Brain of Africa; Bongo, Gambia, the Smiling Coast of Africa; Ethiopia, the Land of Origin; Morocco, the Land of Colors; Mauritius, the Continental Island; Comoros, the Perfume Island; Sierra Leone, Salon; Chad, the Dead Heart of Africa; Mali, the Eyes of Africa; Djibouti, the Pearl of the Gulf of Tajabura; Botswana, Peaceful Nation; Somalia, the Horn of Africa; Seychelles, the Land of Perpetual Summer; Cameroon, the Hinge of Africa; São Tomé and Príncipe, the Chocolate Island.